good.
Didn't the Packers have it for a little bit?
Oh, Reggie Bush there.
He was insane. I thought there was like some player that the Packers had that left really soon, early after getting picked.
Not sure offhand, but Reggie Bush was picked by the Saints as the number 2 pick in the draft. He was projected to be the number 1, but ended up being Mario Williams of the Houston Texans. A lot of people are putting the Texans down as like, you should pick Reggie Bush, blah 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 blah, you know, stuff like that. Mario Williams, in my opinion, actually ended up being better because Williams had a rather poor rookie season, but he has bursted out as one of the top defensive linemen now in the league. Oh God, right off the bat.
He almost escaped.
Darren Sharper got it.
He even got that throw off, even though he got attacked at the end.
Darren Sharper actually was the one who made the cat tackle at the end there. Watch. He's number 42.
Oh yeah, he's a creator, isn't he?
Started as a Packer, went to the Vikings, went to the Saints.
Good gain through the air will set them up with another first down at 10.
400 yards?
Yep.
Searching for an open
Is he
man.
a robot?
Something like that.
Greg Jennings takes a shot. Good defense. That's just a big hit right there. No way the receiver don't run it out.
And the Express. 3 Panthers. Eats fat.
On Bighorn Sheep.
They line up at the 17.
Sure.
Hit hard as he throws.
Oh my.
Well, the defense didn't get the sack, but they got the next best thing, and that was a bad throw.
The gold phone guy.
They line up at the 17.
Today is Saeed Ray's birthday. Ooh. Yeah.
Is he 300 years old
Moves
now?
to his right.
Sorry.
James Jones was his intended target.
Just missed that time, bringing him down for a sack, but great pressure to force an incompletion.
What did I say about the last time?
Stock photo or video.
And the field goal unit is on the field looking for 3 points. This will be a 34-yarder.
You mean 34-yarder?
And the kick is good. The Packers get on the board first and sees an early 3-0 edge. This is a good opportunity to take a look at the drive summary presented by Verizon.
Presented by Verizon.
And he'll return this one from the 7.
First drives of the game, in my opinion, are just so important. It just sets the tempo for the entire game. I tend to want to go opposite my game plan. If I think that I can run the football against the defense, I tend to come out and want to throw it early to make them back up a little bit.
And then I go after it, and then they go further than they go.
What?
I don't know. And then I scream, pass, pass.
Looks to throw it. Robert Beecham was the intended receiver.
Anytime you give up that
What
quick
is that?
pressure like
Inside
that,
from here.
very seldom are those passes completed.
I thought it actually was the person that went to school with us.
Yeah. Every time we eat that, I went to school and I sang a Super Bowl.
That would be kind of cool.
Instead we get Olympians, so what's it?
Looking for a man.
Yeah.
Can't complete that pass. And it'll be 4th down following the pass deflection.
I don't know if that's the guy I want to pick on 3rd down, but you have to have a conversion. He is tough.
this weather?
No shark.
Wow. Yes, cool.
So,
Are you guys all frozen?
fourth down. The Saints
Did you see that?
ready to punt this one away.
They're all frozen. Is
He
well
makes
you
it out
guys?
to the 41.
He was my first round draft pick in the first
They'll go to work at
What?
the 41-yard line.
Good starting rate, not good potential. Although he is a Pro Bowl selection currently, which is strange because he's my backup
He
free
gets
safety.
knocked out of bounds at the 43.
Although it's even funnier, he's my starting safety as a backup.
Like this, you always have to
In terms of the Pro Bowl.
that time a nice play action pass, open it up down the field.
BRRR. Yes. Burr. 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 Burr.
Has a man to his right. Little flip.
Go, Jordan.
He stopped behind the line, losing 3 on the play.
He just couldn't make anything happen after he brought it in. Good job by the defense.
Hot.
It's second down now and 13 to go.
It's 13 down now and 2 to go.
Short throw to the right.